What's up, guys? Long time no video, but I did grab the camera on the way out the door today. I'm up here at our new property. As some of you know, we're going to be building a new home here within the next few months. So we're going to have lots of projects up here transforming what has been a hay field probably for the last half century or more into a lawn. So there's going to be a lot of neat projects we're going to be working on, and I hope to bring you guys along for that journey. Today I'm up here just cleaning up this ditch line. As you guys know, I despise ditches. We have one at the house I live at now. I hate it there. We have one here. I'll probably hate this one too. This ditch, eventually we're going to take out this fence line and reprofile this to make it a little bit easier to take care of. But in the meantime, through the construction process, I came up here a couple weeks ago and smoked this out with some glyphosate. So I just brought my string trimmer up here this evening. We're going to clean this up, knock down the weeds, the dead weeds, and go from there. I started this trimming last night, but I ran out of string trimmer and daylight, so we're back up here this evening to get this finished up. So that's all I've got for today. I hope you guys will follow along. We're going to be working on a lot of great projects over the coming months and years up here, and I look forward to bringing you along for that journey.